Hi everyone, welcome back. And today in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the AI to build the front end of your application. If you are already a front end developer and you know the most of the topics of front end development, then I think you don't need to write each and every code by yourself when you have the power of an AI agent to write code for yourself for you. You only need to write the code for which AI cannot. Let's suppose you use the AI to build the front end of application. You review the code, you find any improvement. You only need to make those improvement. You don't have to write each and every lines of the code because you already know that you can build. You can delegate those coding tasks or those parts to AI, and you only focus of the meaningful things which really need your attention. So let's see that how you use AI to build a front end. In this video, we will see by an example of creating a landing page. So let's see. So if you are new on this channel, you can subscribe my channel to learn front end application to learn front end development. So here I have ChatGPT. Let's first see with ChatGPT that how you can use ChatGPT. So I will tell the ChatGPT that I need a landing page. For example, create a landing page. Create a high quality landing page for selling a health product in HTML and CSS with high quality gradient background with dot pattern, and just hit enter. Now it will start creating front end of your application. You have to copy those codes, paste into your HTML file and see the preview, and till the time it's creating our code, let's talk about something else. So if you are a beginner, you need to focus on learning each and every topic of the front end development. But if you are once you are done with learning of the front end, you can use of AI for creating those parts which are repetitive. You know that you can build, so there is no need to write each and every code manually. You focus on only the part which is very complex and which AI can do, or it need any optimization. So here I can see the code is created. Okay, I think there is no feature of preview. Before it was not there. Okay, let's see once it completed. Okay, the time it is being created. Let me show you the landing page which I have created previously with the help of Cloud AI. Here, this is the landing page which I just created 2 hours ago with the help of the Cloud AI. So you can see there is the improvement. There is padding collapsing. So you can fix those padding, and here you can see the minor fixes. So you will have to focus on these minor fixes which are already built, but there is some issue. You need to fix those issues. And let's see it is created or not. What happened to this tagging? Let me refresh it. Okay, failed to generate. Try again. So it is generated. Let me click on the preview button, and this is our landing page which is created by this. Although there are some missing things like images, and I think this is created the nice background here. Here if I copy the code, and let's just paste in this file, and let's see, just copy, remove and paste the new code generated by the ChatGPT, and let's refresh. Why it is taking so much time? It should not take. Okay, as you can see here, there are some things that is not better, like CSS. You can tell him specifically that write this type of code. Like for the HTML, we can say that use semantic HTML and use optimize HTML elements. Don't write extra HTML. Keep elements or nesting as minimum as possible. I think this is generated, and you can see here the page is looking great. Although there are some improvement you can do, we can say that your 80% work is done. You need to do just 20 remaining percentage of your work. You can add images, you can improve this by adding your emojis, and you can update your copies. Even if you don't want to create by yourself, you just reiterate the prompt according to yourself, and just give the another command like for optimization and for improving if you see any improvement, just tell as a prompt to the ChatGPT and it will just update in that page. And let me show you that okay, one more feature that you can use here, that is GitHub Copilot. You can use GitHub Copilot in the same way as we used ChatGPT, but the difference is here there are the two things here. There are the two modes here. One is agent and second is ask. If you choose the ask and if you give any prompt, it will just give you the answer. It will not directly write into the file. But if you choose the agent mode and if you give prompt, it will directly modify your file and it will directly write the code into your file automatically. For example, let me give the prompt, optimize this landing page, and this is agent mode. Let's just submit the response, submit the request, and you can see it is started working, and it after analyzing it will start modifying the landing page. Okay, yes, do. So it currently read the Next.html file. It is analyzing the page and after that it will improve this page according to optimization needed. Here you can see it has changed this part and it is still analyzing. Search the text for BTN. It is fixing the BTN and navigation. You can see that it is modifying the code automatically. We don't have to copy and paste from external website like ChatGPT or cloud. This landing page is now optimized. Smooth scrolling. Let's see what is the improvement here. Let's refresh. So we can see that you can use the 3 AI tools like GitHub Copilot, Cloud AI, and ChatGPT. You can use Cloud AI also as well. Let me show you once. Cloud AI. In the same way you write prompt here also. Let me just give a command. Create a animated button. I'm just giving the short prompt. Animated button with a nice gradient background and just enter. It have started creating and here is it is writing the code. And once it is completed, it will give us the preview of that button. Now here you can see the button. It have added the ripple effect as well, as we have given the prompt like we need gradient background button, so it has created according to that. So I hope you got an idea that how you can use AI to build a front end of your application. And further, don't limit with the code only. You can, once your front end is ready, you can move a step ahead to optimize them with the help of AI. Once your front end is completed, you just give a command that optimize the code, and once your code is optimized, just give another command that make it SEO optimized. And after that you can check the performance as well in Lighthouse. And once you got any issue, just give another command that fix the performance issue. Open in the browser and check if any issue is found, please fix that. So it will automatically just open that code in the browser and analyze, and if any issue is found, if it find any issue, it will automatically check and fix those errors or those issues. So I hope you got a clear idea that how you can use the AI for front end. So let's meet in next video. Till then, bye. Thanks for watching.